Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is triangles, squares and rectangulars. So we are going to see the definitions of all these one. So vertices, sides, angles and triangles, squares and rectangulars. So this we will first see means vertices of triangles, vertices of squares, vertices of rectangulars. So what exactly the vertices? So this is a rectangular, this is a square and this is a triangle. So the lines joining at one point that called as a vertices. Now these line, this AB and this AD, these lines are joining at A, so this is one vertices. Now AB and BC, this is joining at point B, so this is also the vertices. Then BC and DC are joining at C, so C is a vertices. AD and DC are joining at point D, so this is vertices. Likewise, square also have the four vertices and triangles have the three vertices. So in a triangle there are the three vertices, square four and rectangular also four. Likewise, now sides means this sides. So in a rectangular there are the four sides, square also have the four sides, but triangle have the three sides. So these three sides in a triangle, square and rectangle are the four side each. Then angles. Now in a angles means square having the four angles and the triangle having the three angles. So three angles in triangles and four angles in each square and rectangular. Then a quadrilateral has four vertices. Now what is exactly the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means any figure we can say there are the two sides, okay, and with two angles, but there are the no any relations between their sides length or the angles length. Means maybe all the four angles have the different measurements, okay, and all the four sides have the different lengths. Then we can say this is the ABCD. Suppose this ABCD is a quadrilateral have the four sides, okay. Then a quadrilateral has four vertices like our rectangular as the square, because rectangular and the square is a is a classification of the quadrilateral, okay, or we can say the type of the quadrilaterals. Then vertices of the rectangulars A B C D, here A B C D, this is also the one rectangular, means this is also the quadrilateral, this is also the quadrilateral, this is also the quadrilateral, but due to some more specification means equal all the lengths and with a 90-degree all the angles, then we can say this is square. But only the right angle and opposite sides are the equal, then we can say the rectangular, okay. But actually this is also the quadrilateral and this is also the quadrilateral. Then vertices of squares is P Q R S, okay. Vertices of the triangles is M L and N, okay. So these are the vertices and angles, and then we can say the sides or we can say the edges, okay. Then we are going to see some examples. These are the informative examples also. So how many vertices are there in given figure? So this is 1 2 3 4 and 5, means option number 2 is the correct. Then question number 2, how many rectangles are there in a given figure? So rectangular we have to count like our previous topic. So here 1 2 and 3 in column and 1 2 in row. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, this is the additions, multiplication with rows additions means 1 plus 2, okay. So this is the 6 and then multiply by with a 3, so 6 3s is a 18. So total there are the 18 rectangulars can be formed. So 18 is option number 3 is the correctly. Then question number 3, how many vertices are there in a given figure? So vertices we have to count. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 4, how many vertices are there in a 7-side closed figure? So 7-side closed figure. So suppose if n is 7-side means this is 1 2 3 4, then 5, then 6 and this 7, okay. So this, suppose we are making this vertices counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, sides also 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, okay. Now how many vertices are there in a 7-side figure? So there are the 7 vertices, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 5, how many triangles are formed in a given figure? So we will make the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7, this is all the area. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 are the triangles already, so these are the 6 counting. Then 1 3 7 and 5 means like this is a one triangle. Okay, so this with vertices this and this, so this is a one counting. Then this is also the one triangle. Okay, means 6 2 4 7, this area we will count, so this is also the one triangle. So there are the 6 plus 1 means 8 triangles are there, means 8 means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 6, how many there are the counting numbers of the sides, vertices and the angles in a given figure we have to count. So respectively also we have to give the answer, because here the comma is mentioned in a answers, means same, this sides means first number will be the sides, then second, or we can say the middle number will be the vertices, and angles, number of the angles, this number is showing. Okay, like this one pattern. So first we will count the sides, so this is a 1, then 2, then 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 9, and this is a 10. Okay, so 10 sides, then comma, vertices means two lines meet each other that point, so this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, this is already count, so 10 vertices and angles. So now this is one angle, this is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is a 10, so 10 angles, so 10 10 and 10 10 10 and 10 means option number 3 is a correct one. Now question number 7, the number of vertices in a given figure is, number of vertices, only the vertices we have to count. So vertices mean the two or more lines meet each other at a point, so this is 1 2 3 4 and 5, so 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, 15 means option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 8, count number of vertices, sides and angles in a given figure. So same like our previous examples, vertices, then comma, then sides and comma, and then angles, number of angles that we have to give in options. Okay, so vertices, this is also the one vertices. Okay, end of the point means this is a point, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, so 8 vertices. Then sides, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, so sides are the 7, and angles, so 1 then 2 3 4 5 and here the 6, so there are the total angle 6, means 8 7 and 6 in same sequence, 8 7 and 6 8 7 6, yes, option number 3 is a correct one. Okay, so for question number 8, option number 3 is a correct one. Thank you.